These three things have helped me with my videos, and surely it will help with yours to get more views. Number 1. Your titles and thumbnails probably suck. These are the first things the viewer sees before they click. So it doesn't matter even if the video is good, because people will just scroll past right through it. The key thing to get more people to click is to start doing them first before the content. When I started, I just come up with a topic and then do the video. And at the end, I make the title and the thumbnail last. It would take me around 5 to 10 minutes to do them, but now my process is different, and it's for the better. What I do is I do the titles first. I create a lot of variations and pick the best three. Then I design the thumbnail. Make sure the thumbnails are really good design. It has to be simple yet captivating. Good composition and simplicity goes a long way. Don't fill it with too much information. Make the thumbnail support the title. The goal is to give the viewers context as fast as possible. And also keep it flexible. Don't overdo the design at first. The second thing is one improvement at a time. As you make more videos on YouTube, you should be consistently learning new tips and tricks to apply to your videos. Whether it's a new title format, a new thumbnail design, those little tweaks makes the biggest changes. And over time, it will give you feedback on what works and what doesn't. Constantly improve and optimize your videos. Keep in mind the power of compound interest. Make sure to keep that in mind and ask yourself each time how you can improve your video with each and new upload. There are dozens of information out there for free. Learn from the best like Mr. Beast. All this information is accessible. You don't need to memorize them, just learn and apply them. Because content is a constant ever-growing platform. What works 10 years ago may not work the same now. So keep updating your process flow and be ready. Third on this list is don't over-polish. I tried to polish my old videos, and looking back and rewatching it, I became a critique. And I've always learned something new with each new upload. When I first started, I just randomly copied my favorite content creators and try my best to emulate it 100%. But what I didn't realize is the skill gap difference is really huge. And it took me a long time to produce the videos. Sometimes it could take a whole week. And the results came out horrible. Like it gets like 5 to 10 views. Looking back at it now, the titles are really dull, and it's not really the polishing that's the problem, but it's just really the concept. Like the titles are bad, the thumbnail is bad, and the video is boring. I myself couldn't sit through it, but I am only able to tell this now because I uploaded the video, I created it. What I can say is over polishing really takes a lot of effort, and it can hinder progress, because the best feedback is uploading content and critiquing your own work. With each and new upload, you will be able to point out things that you can improve and apply on the next video. So don't pressure yourself and try to perfect your videos, especially when you're first starting out. Try to focus more on the structure, the titles, the pacing, the overall process of the pre-production. The best way to get better is output and repetition. The good news is anyone can absolutely do it. At the bottom line, don't try to perfect your videos, especially when you're first starting out. Try to focus more and improve on the overall of the process. Like how you write your scripts, how you pace, come up with better ideas and titles. Overall, it's just something that improves the more you do it. And if you made it through the end of this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down anything you guys would like me to cover next. Thanks, and have a good day.